If you wanted to get started with Meta, I'm going to be showing you how to get started in a very easy way in less than 10 minutes. So usually what I do is to master the Meta Business Suite, which is the command center. We're going to be starting with the absolute foundation, the Meta Business Suite. So the Meta Business Suite, I'm going to be going directly into my Meta. You're going to go into all the tools. Usually what you can do is to go into the business.facebook.com so you can find out everything about your website directly inside here. So inside my Meta Business Suite, the first asset to master here is the Unified Content Planner, which is going to appear down below into the left section that says Planner. You have the content element to manage all your planner, but the content planner is absolutely amazing because the business suite pulls all your direct messages from Instagram. Because of course you can stop opening your phone and post manually. You can undo the planner tab. You can visually schedule cross-platform posts, stories, and reels months in actual advice. So you just click directly into the element that you would like to add. You go for a plus, and it's going to be asking you where you want to schedule a post, a story, reel, or an actual ad. The next thing that you can focus on is in the unified inbox that you can find directly into the left section. Instead of jumping between multiple apps to answer customer questions, your business suite pulls all your direct messages from Instagram, comments from Facebook, and chat from WhatsApp into just one easy, clean interface. And here's a really great upgrade. Look for the Meta AI automation toggle that you can find into the left section. If you don't find it, maybe your country is not available yet. But basically here, the automation toggle inside your inbox settings usually appears directly inside here. Is that you can now train a customized Meta AI agents into your website data or FAQ to solve easily solutions, so you don't have to focus a lot into that. Now let's set up some ads and a Meta Pixel. Bridge the gap from organic management to paid advertising by moving into Meta Ads Manager. The Meta Ads Manager, before you launch a single ad, you must ensure your tracking infrastructure is bulletproofed. So to make sure that everything is under control, we have an actual tutorial for this specific element. But basically what I need to do is to go directly into adsmanager.facebook.com when you already have signed in directly into Meta. So inside here, what you wanted to do before you do everything, you wanted to focus into the left section, into your Ads Manager. And directly into your Ad Manager, you want to go directly into the left section, which is directly inside here. There we go. And here you're going to go for the Events Manager. So relying into a basic browser-based Metapixel isn't enough because modern privacy updates usually block browser tracking. So to fix this, you must run a dual setup, the standard Metapixel combined with the Meta Conversions API. To generate that information, you want to go for the element that says Connect. You can go for a website, an application, or CRM. Usually what I do is to make an actual website. You paste your website inside here so you can make the actual test and connect all the information directly inside here. Once again, we have a bunch of tutorials and a specific tutorial for making your first pixel directly into the Events Manager, or in this case the Ads Manager section. Now if you use your platform integrations like the Shopify or the WooCommerce, it'll be as easy as just one-click setup. And lastly, you can build a winning ad campaign. So to build an actual great good campaign, usually now we have the new element, which is generating with the artificial intelligence. So inside my actual Ads Manager, I wanted to click directly once again inside here, or you can just go back into the adsmanager.facebook.com. When you are directly into Ads Manager, click into the element that says Create. Usually, if you don't know how to get started, usually you can just focus into sales. Anytime you want to make your actual sales, which is good for conversions, you want to focus for conversions. Conversions are more like somebody click into an advertiser, but they do something about it. They make an actual purchase, and that information can be applied directly into your Ads Manager. So when you hit directly into continue, usually the Advantage Plus sales campaign can be helping you to get started, or even you can add you can ask the Meta AI to solve this problem for you. If you have a specific question, for example, you can just click directly inside here, go for the Ask Meta Assistant, and into the right section it will be helping you with the actual campaign. Here, for example, you have the actual campaign score. So basically, depending on the all the recommendations set up by the Meta AI, will be telling you how far, how great your campaign could go. This is not the exact numbers. This is not something that will actually happen, but it will be more probably that happens directly inside here. And now you can focus into the creative of the new targeting. Because Meta AI handles targeting autonomously, your primary leverage point as an entrepreneur has shifted completely because creative is now your actual targeted. So you can upload an authentic user-generated video when you start making your actual ad directly inside here. You can click into the ad setup and you can go for a manual upload. And the advanced catalog ad can be helping, of course, to adding your actual product and making the actual sale inside that specific ad that you actually chose, right? And well, the last thing that I can suggest you to focus on is into the analyzing the meta insights, and you can scale the actual budget. Once everything is run, you needed to know how to reach the data scoreboard to scale your profit safely. So usually what I do is to just focus into my cost per result and the CPA, and of course the click-through rate, because the click-through rate can be helping, of course, to get started a metric above 1.5%. If it's lower, your hook of the visual isn't interesting enough, so why don't you keep that in mind a little bit much less lower than that, right? So to master the Meta AI isn't just about tricking the system, it's defining the secret targeting hack, is to understand how to use every single element here directly into the Meta ads, into the business manager, and inside here, well, basically you can do tons of stuff, but I believe like the best solution for your actual campaign or your company is to sell the right product to the right audience. That's how the actual business manager works for. So if this ultimate, simple, easiest masterclass helped clarify the Meta ecosystem for you today, you want to just like that button, subscribe to the channel for more daily dose of SEO full of software marketing tutorials. Thank you for watching the video, and hopefully we can all see you all next time.